What is Dungeons and Dragons? The answer: Dungeons and Dragons D&D is a tabletop role-playing game that was created by Gary Gygax and Dave Arneson in 1974. It is a game where players create characters and embark on adventures in a fantasy world. The game is played with a combination of dice rolls, character sheets, and a set of rules that govern the actions of the players. In D&D, players take on the roles of characters, such as warriors, wizards, rogues, or clerics, and navigate a world filled with magic, monsters, and other challenges. The game is overseen by a Dungeon Master DM, who creates the world and controls non-player characters, NPCs, as well as setting up challenges and obstacles for the players to overcome. The game is played in sessions that can last for several hours or even days. During each session, players will interact with the world around them, explore new areas, and engage in combat with monsters and other enemies. They will also have opportunities to interact with NPCs, solve puzzles, and advance their characters through experience points and loot. The success of D&D lies in its flexibility and creativity. Players have the freedom to create unique characters, make choices that affect the story, and solve problems in their own way. The game can be played in a variety of ways, from dungeon crawls to political intrigue, and the possibilities are endless. Overall, Dungeons and Dragons is a game that encourages creativity, problem-solving, and teamwork. It has inspired countless other tabletop games, as well as video games, books, and movies. Follow this channel for more Santa Explains. And if you have any questions I should answer, just write them down in the comments.